You got your boy Pascal. You also got my little brother Claude. He's going to be making a few cameo appearances. And today, we're going to give you the breakdown on why Oklahoma is a place to go this holiday season. Now, Oklahoma offers a wide variety of elemental aspects that will make your Christmas perfect. We have the snow.
Snow so cold.
We have the frozen roads.
Oh no! An ice patch!
We have the 55-mile-per-hour winds.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey man, how you doing?
Hey,
So what's wrong?
you know what happened? Whoa! I'm okay.
And don't forget the lovely power shortages. Oh, what the heck, man?
I'm about to level up! Yay! It's back on! I win.
So these elemental aspects combined create the perfect white Christmas. So, if you want that perfect holiday environment, come on and take a trip down to Oklahoma. Now, what we're experiencing here, we're gonna bring it to you live.
Oh no! That's not a good idea!
Oh yes, gonna venture out into the wilderness.
The big frozen cold wilderness!
Here, hold this, see? Okay, as you can see, you can't even see, don't push the button please. You can see, oh my gosh, okay, hold on.
Look, you can't even see anything. You can barely
the door. Oops. Okay. See, oh.
Look how deep, like, that's
As
more.
you can see, it is very cold
That
out
is
here.
more than
But
5.
I got this because I got my beast jacket.
This is like 5 inches of snow right
See,
here.
look at this. Look.
Oh my
Look at
gosh.
this mess, man.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's kind of cold
Here,
here.
you.
Oh.
Here, you.
Oh my gosh.
Here, give you a break.
Okay.
Now look at this. Somebody could be buried alive in this. Look at this. Oh my God, there's snow angels out here. No snow angels.
No snow angels for you, bro?
No, because
So they gonna play out here, right?
Huh?
So do you recommend this weather for building snow angels?
No, because you will fall. If you lay down, you will fall. And the grass is like 10 miles down. So don't do it.
Okay, I think
No.
that's it.
I think I'm good.
Okay.
Look at all this snow.
And notice all the
Look at
snow
all
we brought
this.
into the house here. See, look.
Take that!
I don't want it.
Yes, you do.
Okay, so as a final word, say your adios.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
See ya. See you later.
Around me. Alright, so this has been Pascal and Claude bringing it to you live in Oklahoma. Stop.